Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my today's video. Now if in case you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Deeksha and I make mostly self-care vlogs on my channel, like very wholesome self-care vlogs, at least I try. I also make videos on food, like very healthy food recipes and skincare, because those are the things that I really love doing. And yes, if any of that really interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, let's just proceed with this video. So in today's video, I have decided to share with you people everything that I have been buying and collecting and accumulating for past over almost 2 weeks time. All of these things I'm getting either from Myntra or Amazon or Nykaa. And yes, I have so many packages lying right next to me here. I think 20 plus packages for sure, so I have to unpack and unbox all of this stuff right in front of you, and I'm super excited. I hope you are excited too. And with that being said, let's just begin with the video. Okay, so we're gonna begin with Nykaa first, and I have only these 3 boxes from Nykaa here, so let's just unbox the smallest one first. And by the way, I have gotten all of these Nykaa ones from their pink summer sale while everything was on max offers, like max discounts, 20, 30, 40, 50% even. So yeah, in this particular box I had these 2 things. This is the toner that I had been eyeing for the longest, guys. It is by Some by Mi or Some by Mi. I don't know what do you pronounce this SOME thing here, but it is their AHA BHA PHA 30 days miracle toner. And oh my god, I have heard so many great reviews about this particular toner that it just exfoliates your skin in a very gentle way and also leaves it glass looking like. So I'm really looking forward to those kind of results from this toner myself. And it was a really pricey one. It retails for 1550 rupees, and yes, I got it for, I don't remember, 1200 something or 1300 something. But yes, I am really looking forward to try this out. Coming to this one, this is definitely a freebie that I've gotten from Nykaa. It is the Love Struck Tender Touch body lotion. I very clearly remember that I did not place an order for this thing, and yes, it looks like a very foundation based body lotion. I don't know why, from the color of the packaging, the tube itself. So I'm excited to use this as well. Now coming to the second box, which feels extremely lightweighted, because it is extremely lightweighted. Okay, the color of this box is as same as of my top. It is matching completely. So this is just some ice roller, as you can see. Now this is honestly not something that I needed in my life, but I just wanted it. And I'm so glad that the color of this roller is almost matching with my top, like almost. And also this is something that I did not really need in my life, trust me, because I already have this tiny ice roller from Amazon. That was a very cheap one. I got it just for rupees 200 something from Amazon, and it's very common one. But I wanted to buy this one just to try it out, because I just love applying ice on my face every single morning now that it's so hot these summers. And yes, I do not know what material is this, but it is basically a plastic roller, and inside it we have some balls, crystallized kind of balls, and you just basically have to keep it in your freezer overnight, and then the next morning you have to roll it on your under eye bags and then all over your face to just calm it down and cool it down. And you know, it just helps with the puffiness on your eyes and like under your eyes. Also it improves the blood circulation all over your face, and that's the basic use of this roller. I'm really looking forward to use it. I'm so excited. Okay, now coming to the last box, we have quite a few things here. Okay, so the very first thing from the very last box of Nykaa, we have this moisturizing cream. It is the Defender Peptide Retinol Night Cream from Conscious Chemist. And oh my god, I cannot tell you, I had this also in my wish list for very long. And why am I super excited for using this one is because I haven't ever used retinol on my skin yet. Yes, this is the reason why I was super excited to use this retinol based cream, and it has peptides also into it. I think peptides are supposed to make your skin barriers very much defensive and strong, and basically help your skin barrier. So yeah, I'm gonna start using this night cream very soon, and I will update you people about it. Okay, next up we have three fragrances over here, and I cannot tell you guys, I'm super excited to try these out. Yes, I decided to treat myself with some fragrances this time. Two of these are body mists and one is a body roll-on, I mean the EDP from Plum Body Lovin' only. Now it's now this is their Plum Body Lovin' EDP in Orchid You Not. And I have obviously heard good reviews about all of these three fragrances, and that's why I decided to get these for myself. So it's a very light, fresh, tropical orchid fragrance obviously, and oh my god, this is really amazing. I'm definitely gonna slide this into my office bag, and I'm just gonna carry it with myself everywhere I go. And yeah, it's a really beautiful fragrance. Next one we have this body mist from Plum Body Lovin' again. It's in smoke and vanilla variant. I have already used a basic vanilla flavor variant from Plum Body Lovin' back in the day, but this time I just wanted to get this smoking vanilla one, because smoking vanilla is obviously, you know, sounding very much more interesting and, you know, sensual like that. I don't know how to explain fragrances, I'm really bad at it. But the cap of this one is however a faulty one. It's like really hard for it to, you know, come out. Is all I have to say about this particular smoke and vanilla body mist from Plum Body Lovin' is it's extremely mild. The fragrance is really nice, but you would have to spray it a couple of more number of times than what you usually go for. And yes, that's all I can say about it. It's extremely light. Like, you know, I have used it a couple of times over the sleeve of my top already, and it's almost gone, and the scent is almost diffused and subdued. I don't know, I don't know, it's just really smelling good, but at the same time you would have to apply a lot of quantity for it to, you know, spread any fragrance around you to people, so that people can just, you know, sense that you have used something like smoking vanilla on your body. So yeah, that's all that I can say about this particular mist. The last one I have here, I believe should be the best one also, is from Bath and Body Works. It's there in the Stars EDT, and yes, I think this I got on a recommendation of Sara Sarosh. You people must know who Sara Sarosh is. She's one of the creators who I watch very religiously. So guys, I'm really sorry because I seriously don't know how to describe the scents and fragrances too much in detail, but I have already sniffed it a couple of times. To tell you people, all I can say is it's a really nice mix of fusion of sweetness and sexiness to it. However, this is something that I would not prefer wearing in my daytimes. I mean, in my, you know, on my day outs, if I'm going anywhere out in the daytime, I would definitely prefer wearing it on my night outs, on my night dates, or whatever nighttime function, or, you know, anything I'm attending in the night time. So yeah, this is really a nice fragrance again that I've added to my collection. I'm really happy about it. I've gotten another freebie over here from Plum Body Lovin' again. It's a really tiny travel size kit, I believe, and it has this EDP again in Plum Body Lovin's Vanilla Vibes. The body mist, it has this body lotion in Vanilla Caramello. This I already have in a bigger bottle, and I already am using it like for a really long time. And this one's a shower gel in Hawaiian Rumba, another product from Plum Body Lovin' that I already have in my shower routine. Yes, this exact same variant Hawaiian Rumba from Plum Body Lovin'. I'm already using the bigger bottle of this one. Okay, next we have is Myntra, and I have 4 things over here from Myntra, 3 boxes and 1 package. So let's just start with the first box. Guys, I have already shared this thing with you people that I have started buying too many of skincare and body care products from Myntra, and I am really sorry for myself to tell you guys that this product has come leaking all its way. Oh my god, it's leaking so bad, and how I cannot believe this is the situation of the box. See, this is gross. Oh my god, how come the people send you stuff like this without packing it nicely? Oh my god. Okay, so keeping the leakiness aside, this is a shampoo from Mamaearth. It's their onion shampoo with onion and plant keratin. I just wanted to get myself a very nice clean shampoo for the days on which my scalp does not feel extremely greasy. I would like to use some very gentle shampoos on my scalp those days. So this is the one I wanted to start using, and I cannot believe Myntra has done this to me. Whatever, I'm just gonna wash it off and just clean it after filming the video. So this is the first thing we have from Myntra. Okay, so in the second box we have this body scrub from Love Beauty and Planet. I have been really loving and enjoying using the products from Love Beauty and Planet. Those products are super clean, and I don't know, those are super clean and affordable, and at the same time they do their job so well. So this is their vitamin C and orange body scrub for bright and radiant skin. I just wanted to try out a new body scrub and a new brand's body scrub. Basically, I've been using my Caffeine's coffee body scrub for years and years, and I have very recently come across very extremely negative reviews about that particular body scrub, how it just clogs your drainage like anything, and it's not even great for your body. I mean, the huge granules it has to it are not really good for your skin. I just wanted to get myself a mild gentle exfoliator, though I have used a couple of mild gentle exfoliators from Plum and Dove also back in the day, but I just wanted to buy this one this time, Love Beauty Planet's vitamin C orange whatever body scrub. So this is my next buy from Myntra. Okay, so this is just some body lotion from our good old Vaseline. It's their aloe vera variant. I just wanted to get myself a very lightweight, non-sticky kind of body lotion so that it does not irritate my skin in these summers, because it's been so hot and nobody feels like applying any moisturizer. But because I cannot leave my skin high and dry like that, so I have to use some body lotion on it, and yeah, I decided to get this aloe vera one for that. Now in this packet, I remember I placed an order for these jeggings, these black jeggings from Globus. They were for some 1200 or 1300 rupees on a discount, because the last one I used to wear to my office, those have gotten really bad, and yeah, I just wanted, I was in a need of buying a new one, so this is what I have gotten. and yeah, I will just try these on after getting done with my video filming, and I hope they really fit me, because I do not feel like returning these and just looking for another ones, the more fitting ones. So yeah, this is our last buy from Myntra. So coming to Amazon, we have total 7 number of things from Amazon to unpack and unbox. So I'm just quickly gonna begin doing it. Again, a box that matches my today's top so well. This is just some protein bars from Yoga Bars, because I am a protein bar eater. I just keep having them every once in a while whenever I feel hungry, or whenever I just cannot find anything healthy around me and I am hungry. I just reach out to these to have one. And so yeah, this is the first thing. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, only 5. Okay, so these are basically a bunch of colorful scrunchies. Basically there are 5 of these. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just wanted to get myself some cute hair ties, and you know, something like this with a bow detailing or not detailing or whatever it is. And the prints, however, are something really off. I'm not at all impressed with the prints. These are really very bad and tacky looking. So yeah, this is, I think, the only one that I find is okayish. The other 4 are really bad. I might even end up returning these. So I'm not happy with this buy. I know what is inside this tiny little package. These are just some hoops, like tiny little golden hoops that I wanted to buy just to wear it while I film my videos, like such sit down videos that I am doing right now, what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I think I got these just for piece 220 or 230 something. I'm definitely gonna link everything down in the description box, so please go and check that out for buying anything that I'm sharing with you people in this video. So I got these just for 230 or 220 rupees something. I'm not really a person who likes wearing earrings in my niche ka piercing, because that feels really girlish to me. I don't know, I really don't like wearing anything, and that's the reason why I'm not wearing anything even now on my नीचे का piercings. I have ऊपर का 2 piercings, and उसमें मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है मेरा gold का जो भी studs पहने हुए हैं मैंने. But I don't know if I'm really gonna keep these or not. I will see. And yeah. Okay, so I have gotten myself this marble mortar and pestle. Yeah, this is what it is called in English. I just wanted to get a cute one for myself. I already have this very basic what is that material, metal, or I don't know what material is that, but it's a very bad looking, you know, very traditional sort of a mortar and pestle that we have in the house in my niche ka kitchen that my mom uses for her cooking. But I wanted to get myself a cute looking one, a marble one. So I decided to get this white marble one for myself, because I make too many of food related videos, and whenever I have to, you know, crush anything, I do not have anything in my upper portion of the house, in my upper kitchen basically, to use for that purpose. So yeah, I got this for just that. Okay, this is definitely something that my sister has sent over. I did not place an order for this chopping board, but because in my last, or maybe last to last, in one of the videos, very recent videos of mine, I shared that my chopping board from Borosil that I got for 750 rupees something, it somehow cracked, you know, it just cracked and it shattered. Like it hasn't shattered yet, but it has developed a very big deep crack over here in the center, and it's gonna shatter very soon. So my sister has clearly sent over a new one for me to use in my videos, and I'm thankful to her for sending me this over. And yeah, this is something that I did not get, but it came to me as a surprise in all of this unboxing thing. So yeah, thanks for that, and I'm really happy. So in this box we had these two things. So these are basically roasted pumpkin seeds from Happilo. I just love having these roasted pumpkin seeds from Happilo. They are so yummy, so filling and so healthy. Obviously something to munch on, a very healthy alternative for you all. This is basically some compost that I got for my mom from Ugao. Now I have read very good reviews about it. Yeah, so this is cow manure. No, this is not compost, this is some cow manure, I'm sorry. And yeah, I just decided to get this for my mother because she really loves growing plants in the house. We have so many of those in the bottom part of our house, even in the upper part of our house, that you must have seen in my rest of the videos if you are my regular watcher. So this is what I have gotten for my mother, for just making her happy about a small little thing. And now we're gonna open the very last product, the very last item of this haul. This is my very new steamer, facial steamer from Agaro. Now this is again something that I had been eyeing for so long. I had this in my wish list added for months and months, and I did not consider purchasing it in the beginning because it was too pricey. I think I got it for 1700 or 1800 something rupees, and I thought it's so expensive for a facial steamer. But then I think I crossed 1.5k subscribers on my channel. So thank you all for watching my videos and showing love to those. And I had decided once I cross my 1.5k subscribers, I'm gonna buy myself a facial steamer. So this is because of you guys that I've gotten. It's not that I couldn't get one, but I just thought that, you know, I did not need to spend so much of money on a facial steamer. But this, trust me, has gotten so many of good reviews on Amazon. Like, people have been buying it and using it for like months and months, and they are really facing no issues with the mechanism, with the operation of the steamer. And I actually had the steamer already that went bad. It stopped functioning. It was a cheaper one, however, that my sister got for both of us, like herself and I. And yes, it stopped working. I tried getting it fixed from like local electronics wala bhaiya nearby, but he couldn't figure it out. So मैंने decide किया कि मैं new steamer ले रही हूँ. And yeah, this is the one that I am gonna start using it. This is the one that I'm gonna start using now on, and I will definitely update you people about its usage. It has come with a bunch of things over here that I'll figure out later what really I need to do with this. But yes, I'm really excited to start using my new facial steamer. I'm really so happy. And with that, we have come to the end of this video, guys. I really hope that you people enjoyed watching this video and loved everything that I shared with you guys in this video. Basically the unboxing and the unpacking of numerous number of things. And yes, I'm super excited to start using all of this stuff and, you know, share my experience with you guys. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and like this video, comment down below in the comments whatever you love the most about this video. And yes, I will meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye.